This is Bill Cook here today with BigSweetYield.us, and we're just kind of going over a simulation of what to do to put products on your field. John Ortiz is here, and he's going to kind of demonstrate all the products that we're putting on to get higher yields in corn. So John, tell us what you're going to be doing.
Basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be mixing this so you guys can get a feel and see what's going to be going on. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to incorporate our Big Corn 300, our Big BioYield, and our slow release nitrogen, and we're just going to go ahead and do a jar test for you. That way you can see how well and easily the product mixes, and that way you can get it on in a timely manner.
And my understanding is it is important to mix it properly when you start out. Is that correct?
Correct. All right, first we're going to add our water. We're going to add our Big Corn 300. And you guys will have an inductor, so this stuff will...
So now you stir it up?
Yeah, you stir it up. Basically with your inductor running and the way you incorporate this, it'll go ahead and mix. But for this instance, I'm going to shake it up. And you can see how easily it dissolves in water with just a few shakes. So we'll go ahead and add our Big BioYield. And then last but not least, we're going to add our SRN. There you have it.
Okay, so you can see how clear it is and how it stays in suspension. And what we wanted to do is show you what not to do. There is a proper way to mix and an improper way to mix this. So John is going to go ahead and put the soy 100 in the slow release nitrogen first and show you what happens. Right, John?
Right. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to add the SRN first. And we're going to go ahead and incorporate our Big Corn 300. And you can see what happens. The Big Corn 300 whole process sweetener just all stays to the top. Having a tough time going into suspension.
So it chunks up.
It chunks up on you.
If you don't mix it properly, you have some problem. Now, even though you mix water in it, and I think we found this out when we were doing a lot of work with fertilizers and strainers.
And we'll go ahead and incorporate our biological.
And so, but you see how the big corn 300 kind of goes to the bottom. Now we're going to shake it up.
It's still chunky.
See, it's still chunky. See what it's doing? And that's because it didn't get in suspension early. So look at the two products. Proper mix and improper mix. If you mix it properly, goes into suspension, stays forever. If you mix it improperly, you have all kinds of issues that could plug up strainers, that could give you trouble, and just make things very difficult and uneven. So John, thanks a lot for giving us that demonstration on the difference of proper and improper mixing of the biologicals with the Big Corn 300 product.
And be sure and follow us on BigSweetYield.us